Hello, and welcome to another episode of Uncle Bill's Kitchen. With cooking becoming easier and easier every day with all of our technological advances, I thought I'd like to show you a way to marinate a pork steak and cook it in your air fryer. Stay tuned. Here is a list of the ingredients you will need for your marinade. Please pause the video and make note for your convenience. As always, using the freshest ingredients will produce the best outcomes. Take a look around, find some good deals where you can on these ingredients, and stay tuned for how to use them. Now that we've got our inexpensive pork steak, we're going to start our marinade. Get a nice sized bowl and start off with your soy sauce. A couple tablespoons in here. We're going to use our cooking wine. I like to use Asian cooking wine because I do a lot of Asian cooking. Any cooking wine will do. Some Worcestershire sauce. Oh yeah, this is going to give it amazing flavor. Couple twists of the fresh ground pepper grinder, some onion powder, garlic powder, and just a small drizzle of sesame oil. Give it a nice stir, and don't forget to add in your minced garlic. This is what really gives you some depth of flavor. Mix it all together, make sure everything tastes good, and we're good to go. Now let's take our beautifully marbled pork steak, and we're going to get this as deep into our bowl as possible, trying to cover as much of the meat as possible. If it doesn't go all the way over the top, don't worry, get as much as you can covered and let it sit for 30 minutes. Once that 30 minutes is passed, we're going to set our air fryer to 450 degrees. We're going to set it for 10 minutes on the first side, and we'll be good to go. Now, I like to put tinfoil at the bottom of my air fryer. It just makes cleanup easy.
Hey folks, welcome to Uncle Bill's Kitchen. First of all, if you've made it this far in the video, I'd like to say thank you very much. I appreciate you watching, and I hope that you'll find some value in this. Also, I'm really targeting trying to make this my profession. So if you could help me and hit that subscribe button, it really helps our channel a lot. I'm targeting 1,000 subscribers by April, and I really need your help. Share this video if you find it helpful, and keep watching. Thanks.
Now we're going to lightly place this beautiful pork steak into our air fryer. I like to put the bone side up, that way it gets a lot of heat in the beginning and helps cook the meat through thoroughly. Got 5 minutes left on the first side. Let's take a look and see how we're doing. Just a quick peek. Oh yeah, it's getting done nicely. Beautiful. Let's let it cook for 5 more minutes. That 5 minutes has passed. With the amazement of computer technology, we've sped through it, and now we're going to take this wonderful piece of meat and flip it over. Just like so. Very easy. Crack that top back on. We're going to cook this again for 5 more minutes at 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and we'll be back when it's done. Here we go. Look at that. Beautiful. Check it just like you would a steak for doneness. I like mine a little medium, a little pink in the middle, and this is how it's going to turn out. Let it rest for about 5 minutes before you cut into it, just like any other piece of meat. And then I like to cut the meat away from the bone and separate the pieces from the individual fat portions. Once you get everything cut into your portion sizes, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to find the grain and cut against it, like so. Look at all that juice. Oh, wonderful. It's juicy, delicious, hot. It's salty and savory at the same time. The soy sauce gives you the needed salt, and that wonderful sesame oil gives this something. Just the people who eat your pork steak are going to go, what is that? What is that flavor? Just say, delicious. If you're interested to know how to make some of these side dishes, I'll leave links in the description below. Make sure to enjoy. Thanks for stopping by Uncle Bill's Kitchen. We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Share it for your friends and make sure you tell everybody this is the place to get your recipes.